guys, welcome to Faith Rose Grows. I'm Faith, and today my husband and I are helping my dad plane these boards. He is in the process of building a replica of the USS Constitution as an apartment. So he's making an apartment that's replicated from the USS Constitution. It's really, really cool. I'll have to do a tour video of it. It's just really an awesome thing to see. And right now what we're doing is I'm pulling the boards that have already been checked for nails and screws and anything like that. And now that they've been checked, they can be run through the planer. So I'm feeding them to my dad. He's feeding them through the planer. Then my husband grabs them off of the planer and puts them into the stack. So that's what we're doing here. And then we have a stack that we're going to process that still has the nails in there, so we'll process those. But here you can see how beautiful it looks after it's planed. These are really old boards. I think my dad found these in Monticello, Florida, an old courthouse they were tearing down. If he watches this and I'm getting it wrong, I'm sure he's going to correct me. But so now we're just kind of discussing what needs to happen here, but then we're going to start finding the nails in the other stack of boards, processing those, and then we'll plane those as well.
Yeah, because that machine doesn't turn off. It runs 12-hour shifts.
Well, in a factory where they run it through,
It runs 12-hour shifts.
So for you'll never work that motor. That motor don't even know it's running.
And an OD green.
Yeah, I just think it's the cat Powermatic.
Dark blue.
Okay, Mike, all these have to go.
So we're taking my pin pointer that I use for metal detecting and running across the boards. It works absolutely perfect for this job here. If you don't have a pin pointer and you're doing this kind of work, I highly recommend it. You'll see here how they're using it. So now that we have those all checked and all the screws and nails out, we're running the second batch through the planer now. now that we have that done, the guys are offloading this second batch. So we roughly worked through 2 batches, I think meaning mostly just the back of the truck filled up twice and offloaded. So, and we are all getting very hungry at this point. So we're gonna get this off and get the grill going, and we're gonna make a nice evening dinner for ourselves. We've had a good day's work, got a lot done. I have to say, this is the first day, the only day that my husband and I have come over and helped. We just woke up this morning and he said, we really need to go help your dad with those boards. So we did that, but primarily my dad has done this apartment that's a replica of the USS Constitution by himself, completely by himself. It's been amazing to watch, and I'm really, really proud of him. We hope to help him a whole lot more. He's going to need more help, and these are the boards for the second story, so he's already made it that far.